Vanakkam one and all. We will discuss problem number 6 of exercise 5.2. So here they are asking us to find the derivative of the function cos x cube into sine square of x power 5. So here we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Now we can take the given function as y. Okay. So cos of x cube and sine square of x to the power 5. So here it is a product of two functions where each function is a composite function. So here when we consider about this cos of x cube, it is a composite function of cos x and x cube. And here also it is a composite function of sine square, x square, sine function and x to the power 5. So now we will find out the derivative of this function using Leibniz rule. So let us take the first function as cos of x cube and another function as sine square of x power 5. Now we will find the derivative of this function. Okay, so derivative can be calculated with the help of chain rule. So at first we have to consider this function as cos function. So derivative of cos function is minus sin x. Derivative of cos function is minus sin x. So we will have minus sine of x cube. Again we have to differentiate x cube. So x cube's derivative is 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, which is 3 x to the power 2. So derivative of the first function is minus 3 x square into sine x cube. Now we will find the derivative of the second function v dash. So we will consider the entire function as x square. So derivative of x square is 2x. So we will get 2 into sine x power 5. Now we have to differentiate this sine function. So derivative of sine x is cos x. So we will apply derivative of cos x. So sine x as cos of x power 5. Now we have to differentiate x to the power 5. So which means x to the power n's derivative. N into x to the power n minus 1. So we will get 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1. We will get x to the power 4. So we can rewrite the derivative of the v function as 2 into sine x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5 x to the power 4. We can rewrite it as 2 and 5. Product will be 10 x to the power 4 sine of x power 5 cos of x power 5. Now we got like this. Now we got derivative of both the function. Now we will apply Leibniz rule. According to Leibniz rule, derivative will be y dash will be u dash v plus v dash u. So here derivative dy by dx equal to u dash. U dash is minus 3 x square sine of x cube and v is sine square of x power 5 plus v dash is 10 x power 4 sine x to the power 5 cos of x to the power 5 and u is cos of x cube. Now this is a derivative of the given function with respect to x. Now we will discuss problem number 7. Here again we have to find the derivative of the function with respect to x. Now we will take this function as y. So again here it is a product of constant and function of x. So now this y is a product of constant and function of x. So we will keep 2 as it is since it is a constant. Now we will start finding the derivative of square root of cot x square. Now square root of x, we have to consider the full term as x. So square root of x is power x to the power 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So this one will be 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2. So this one can be written as 1 by 2 root x. Now here we have cot of x square in place of x. So we will get 1 by 2 square root of cot x square. Now we have to differentiate cot of x square. So derivative of cot x, derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Okay, so we will get, while differentiating this, we will get minus cosecant square of x square. Now we have to differentiate this x square. So derivative of x square is 2x. So we'll get 2x. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. So we'll remain with minus cosecant square of x square into 2x divided by square root of cot of x square. Now we can write this square root of cot of x square as square root of cos of x square divided by sine of x square. And in numerator we have cosecant square x. So cosecant square x can be written as 1 by sine square x square. Now this one can be written as minus 2x into square root of sine of x square and divided by square root of cos of x square, and this one can be written as 1 by sine square of sine of x square and 1 by sine of x square. Now here we are having sine of x square and here it is sine of x square. Here it is square in root. Here we are not having the root. So we can simplify this as 2x divided by square root of cos of x square, and here after cancelling the powers we have sine x square power 1 by 2, and here it is in denominator we have sine of x square. So when we simplify this we will get square root of sine x square 1 divided by sine of x square. Now we can combine these two. So we will get minus 2x divided by square root of sine of x square cos of x square and 1 by sine of x square. So we can multiply and divide this expression with root 2. As a result we will get minus 2 root 2 x divided by, we can combine this root 2 with this expression. So we'll get square root of 2 into sine of x square and cos of x square divided into 1 by sine of x square. So we know the identity. 2 sine x into cos x can be written as sine of 2x. Correct? So here we have 2 sine x square and cos x square. So we will replace this denominator as minus 2 root 2 x divided by inside the square root sine of 2x square 1 by sine of x square. So this is the derivative of the given function with respect to x. Thank you.